it's time to rethink what you know about chillers and their operating limits. And it starts by thinking about a pretty basic principle. 2 is better than 1. In balance. In motion. And now, in your chiller. We're talking about 2-stage back-to-back compressors, like the EquiDrive compressor found in the Carrier AquaEdge 19MV, which increases pressure with each of its 2 impellers. The difference in pressure needed is proportional to the difference between the leaving water temperatures. This is affected by the chiller load and outside temperature. For example, when it's hot outside, the difference in temperatures will be greater. And the higher this difference, the more capability it requires. So, what does it mean for chiller operation? In centrifugal compressors, if the pressure is too high, it may surge, and the chiller will shut down, providing no cooling to your building. The average chiller simply won't run the way it should, or at all, outside of its specified operating range. The good news? The AquaEdge 19MV is not an average chiller. The 19MV's 2-stage back-to-back compressor allows for an extended operating range, meaning it may go beyond the typical limits, giving you more operating range while maintaining efficiency at design. And keep your building cool, whether optimizing waterside economizers or even under times of stress due to load and operating conditions. It's a game-changing capability that provides building owners confidence in reliable, efficient operation beyond specifications. And a big reason that 2 is better than 1. Learn more about the Carrier AquaEdge 19MV centrifugal chiller and its 2-stage back-to-back compressor. And get ready to experience unconditional performance.